Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Find a high-resolution picture that matches your laptop display, for example 1920 x 1080 for a standard screen. Once chosen, save it to desktop or pictures so you know the path. Make sure the file is PNG or JPG. Those formats load reliably. Close other apps to free memory and prevent slow previews. Now open your operating system's wallpaper settings versus control panel, and keep the image window handy so you can move straight. You now handle sizing and placement. Open the image in a simple editor and crop while preserving aspect ratio so the subject isn't cut off. Once done, return to wallpaper settings and choose fill if you want no bars, fit to keep full image, or center if you prefer borders. Apply the change and inspect the desktop and taskbar areas. Make sure icons aren't covering important parts. If you have multiple displays, set per monitor wallpaper or span across screens as required. You finish by saving a backup named with its resolution so you can reuse it later. This avoids recompressing and loss of quality. Lock the screen and sign back in to confirm both desktop and lock images look right and adjust if needed. If the wallpaper appears distorted or blurry, change the display option or resize the image to your exact screen resolution and reapply. Remember, when things go wrong, resize to native pixels or switch from stretch to fill, and that usually fixes alignment and blur issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.